Slow draining double sinks are the worst, especially when that cross-connection pipe gets all clogged up and you're stuck with water that just won't go down. So here's the deal. First, grab a bucket and maybe some gloves because things can get messy. Start by checking under the sink where the two drains meet, the cross-connection pipe. That's usually where gunk builds up the most. Use a plumber's snake or a long flexible brush to gently push through any hair or grease blocking the pipe. If you don't have those tools, try pouring hot water mixed with baking soda and vinegar down each drain to loosen stuff up, but don't expect magic right away. Remember, don't use harsh chemicals because they can mess up your pipes over time. Also, keep an eye on the P-trap. It's that U-shaped pipe under your sink. Sometimes it holds water and debris that slow drainage. Tighten any loose connections while you're at it to avoid leaks. Lastly, run hot water for a minute after clearing the blockage to flush everything out nicely. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow draining double sinks is ignoring the cross-connection pipe entirely. They think only one side is clogged, but water has to flow through both sides. Fix this by always checking and cleaning both drains and their connecting pipes. Another common issue is using chemical drain cleaners, which can damage pipes and lead to bigger problems. Instead, stick with natural cleaners or mechanical tools. The third problem is not tightening pipe fittings after cleaning, causing leaks that create more mess and slow drainage. So, make sure all joints are snug but not over-tightened. BigHomeProjects.com is like your buddy for finding reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff and show up on time. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you get steady work from homeowners who need help with projects just like fixing sink clogs or bigger jobs around the house.